of a problem. Look at this. Now I've just put my my AC on, or not my AC, my heater's on actually, and steam coming out of my car. So there's something wrong with the heater matrix, if you can see that. So I'm gonna have to investigate that. You can actually see the steam pouring out. What a joke. This car's made so ridiculously stupid, yeah? This can't come out because of that. Here's our problem. All this mess that you can see right here because of this stupid thing. Yeah, spat bloody coolant all over. So see this guys, this is the key to the puzzle, yeah? So 51 degrees. What's up guys, hope you're keeping well. Welcome back to another video. Now this video ain't gonna be a fun video, I'll tell you that. I'm already not looking forward to it, but it needs to be done. Now for some reason, the other day I left my car, the car off idling and just warming up, because even if I'm not driving it, I'd leave it, to warm up at least once or twice a week or whatever. And I noticed like the whole car steaming up like I've never seen before. So I just thought it might be a condensation issue or something. And, because it's been parked, it's getting colder and stuff like that. So anyway, I came over to the car, opened the door, and a whole bunch of steam was just pouring, coming out of the vents and stuff. So even I was like, that's weird. And you could smell that like strong coolant smell with the steam, you know what I mean? If there's going to be a coolant smell in your car, the only thing you can point to is the heater matrix. Now, I know my heating system in my car hasn't been working all that great for the past couple of years since I've built this car, because I've had to bend all the heating pipes in the engine bay to accommodate the turbo intake pipe. They've been compromised slightly, so I just always thought it might just be that's not making the car warm up as quickly as it used to. Guys, trust me, this job is not a nice job, especially when your car's modded, audio and cages and all that, because all that stuff got to come out. The whole dash has to come out. So I'm probably not going to show me taking out the dash or much of that. I'm just going to show me, changing the matrix and little clips here and there of the dash coming out. But I've got to take my head unit out, glove box, gauges, clocks. Even this thing's got to come out, which I've not touched for so many years. You know what I mean? So it's not something I'm looking forward to, if I'm being honest with you. I just know it's going to be a right pain in the ass. Clips are going to break and, all that type of stuff. But it's got to be done. I've ordered my matrix, that on eBay, £15. I think it's a Nissan's one, the one I ordered, which I'm assuming will be all right. And that should be here in the next 2 days or so. So at least if we prep the car up, get all those couple of bits done, dash taken out and whatever else. Once that arrives, bang that in, sort the coolant, put fresh coolant in or whatever, top it up, and we're good to go. So yeah, let's get on with that for the time being. As you can see, the Civic is still in the garage, not done anything with that. I want to get the car off sorted. You can see there's a whole bunch of pieces in here, which are going to be more videos for you guys to make, but yeah, just got lots of stuff to do on the golf. So yeah, I better get on with it actually. Anyway, let's get stuck into the video. So that looks like, guys. Keep that nice and safe. Well, here's your dash. Glove box out. Hey, it's getting there slowly. Head unit out, and we can start stripping around the dash, and then hopefully the dash out. Oh, what a job. I mean, look at how the Golf's looking. I'm actually gonna post a little picture on YouTube for you guys to see way before you actually get to see this video, so this will be a little insight. Alright guys, it's getting quite late now, as you can see. So we are up to this stage now. I mean, most of it is out, so I will carry on tomorrow. I need to tidy up before it gets too dark. But we get in there, Alright, it's a new day. Let's carry on with this car. Oh yeah. So we're gonna finish off a couple of screws here and there. I've not followed any videos or tutorials to do this. I've just been doing my own thing here because I've taken most of the stuff off before. So yeah, this is just the way I do it. Woo! Finally. Now what's next? Whoa. That's all I can say. Whoa. Alright guys, this is like day 3, or when I've been really ill past couple of days. So yeah, decided to come and carry on with the Golf. As you can see, that thing needs to get out of here so we can replace its heater core with a new one. So anyway, if you look at this, you can already see where our problem is. Can you see that bit of coolant coming out of there? That tells you for sure 100%, I'm not talking rubbish, that this thing is actually damaged before we even take it out. Don't think we can get a closer look in there, but yeah, that already dripping out of there tells me. So we're gonna try and get this out of here, and we should be able to replace it then. Right guys, an update from the engine side. So I've taken out our 2 coolant pipes, which were a bit of a pain in the ass to get to. And I've also disconnected our AC pipes, which is these 2. Basically, you just take the one bolt out of there, and then this bracket that holds them 2 in just comes apart basically. Obviously, make sure if you do have AC gas still in the system, you have a garage first, recover all that, because it's illegal to take this gas out and let it vent to atmosphere. Now my car, after the crash in December, I never re-gassed it, so that's why I've just taken mine out anyway. Oh my god, what a joke. So there's 2 bolts in there guys, yeah, 2 in there. One, where is it? One is under there, yeah, if you can see there, and one is under there. So there's 4 on the engine side. Those 2 pipes for the coolant, that's obviously going to the matrix, and then obviously these AC ones, right buggers, I'm telling you. So I'm going to take this last one off, and then we should be able to take it out. Right, so after those 4 bolts, we've taken off that piece that we've discovered our coolant coming out of. Let's chuck that in the back. Yeah, now is that unit. my trick is with this, guys, I'm going to try and pull it not fully out, because otherwise to take it fully out, this whole bar's got to move and all that, which it's already moving, but I don't want to interfere with it too much because there's just too much stuff connected to it, yeah. So I want to try and pull this unit out until I can have enough space to actually just take the matrix out and replace it, yeah. You know, less work for ourselves, really. You see, it's coming out now. It's taking out these two little bolts. 6mm is about 6mm. I'll move the wiring over, so this wiring that's caught in there usually has moved it over. So we're gonna try now. Oh yeah. This is one horrible job. So my attempt has failed. See what happens here, guys. This car's made so ridiculously stupid, yeah. This can't come out because of that, yeah, and that's welded in place. So this can't even get enough room out of there to accommodate you taking that out, right? So which means now you've got to take the bar out. So you'd think it's just a normal 2 bolts here, 2 bolts there, and I think there's another 2 that hold another brace on the side, yeah, but it's not, yeah. You got to take the wipers out, the wiper motor out, yeah. After you take the wiper motor out, everything's got to come off just to release this 1 bolt from the engine bay side. Then that will give you enough room to move that bar so you can slide that over because it's too long. I mean, how ridiculous. Right, so pollen filter cover off, rubber, wipers, and then when I'm trying to fiddle with this, it just won't come off, right? So that's broken, as you can see. It's so fragile. The more I take off, the more I'm gonna break. Not by my doing, it's just these cars are made so fragile, you know, this plastic's old. So what I've actually resorted to doing is just bending that way, so I can pull this thing far out enough, yeah, to get rid of this stupid thing. Here's our problem. All this because of this VW. This is what you've caused, all this mess that you can see right here, because of this stupid thing. Yeah, so we'll replace that, bend that back into place, put our wipers back on, and put the whole car back together basically for that. Anyway, let's crack on. Right, here is our new one, guys. So it came with these foam bits, which I can see can go around the edges and stuff. So here is our new core. Yeah, I just hope it's made stronger, to be honest with you. And that is it. Looks the same fittings and everything. So we'll change that over. And yeah, this one's made by Nissans. So yeah, we'll swap this out. Obviously we got quite an issue in this thing. If you look what the old one did, yeah, spat bloody coolant all over. So yeah, we'll get it changed out anyway. It's just been a stressful repair, I tell you. It's not that it's difficult, it's just a complete waste of time. How much stuff has to be removed just to get to that? You know, VW should know that if this thing's problematic, they should make some form of easy access, make one that's side accessible or something, you know what I mean? So anyway, let's change it out. Alright guys, so it's getting a bit late now, so I'm just gonna put this in here and then we'll finish this off another day, maybe tomorrow. So I've just taken this off the old matrix and put it over. It's just a foam thing. I think it's just for insulation. What I've noticed as well on this one, it's got this plastic bottom piece to it. You know, the original one doesn't, so I don't know what that plays. Ah, okay. So on some cars it might, on some cars it might not. There might be different cars that use this little plastic piece. So we'll leave it out. foam on there. Can put this thing down again. Yeah, there we go. Changed over. Now is the fun part, because I've got to get all this back. Yeah. Too much wiring. If you look at all my audio stuff, you know, look at all my audio wiring, bass cube, RCAs. So, you know, it's not your typical, you know, job that you do on a normal Mark IV. It's going to be a lot more, you know, difficult on my car if you have to work on it as opposed to a normal one. So, yeah. Anyway, let me carry on. I'll probably next video will be everything pretty much together, yeah. So, and then yeah, we'll take you from there. And so engine side now is all pretty much fitted in, yeah. So all our pipes are nice and connected, you know, everything's screwed back in. It's all complete basically. I've had to put everything back. Right, so the plan is today to get all that lot, all that and that fitted in. Yeah, I'll show you how far we got last night before we started running out of light. So we started getting all the little bits and pieces, covers, plastic covers for the air vents and all that in. And this is gonna give me a chance to, I'm gonna find a new positive and negative or remote wire for this gauge as well in the process. Tidy up my wires better because the whole dash is out, you know, for my audio and stuff. And then, yeah, we'll start fitting everything else back together, basically. So, we're getting there. Slowly but surely, but now that stuff needs to go in, which is going to be good fun today. And there's a few bits and pieces, yeah, in the back as well. So, anyway, yeah, I'll crack on with that. And hopefully, I should show you guys once this is all back together. In fact, let's do this. By the click of a finger, everything's gonna be back, okay? So 1, 2, 3, bang! Told you, it's all in. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, that was something else. My God, whoa! Putting all that back together. Funny enough, I don't have any extra screws left as well, so that's a good sign. But hey, I don't feel all that great. As I mentioned throughout this whole video, it's taken me in total 5 days or something, you know, here and there, doing it whenever I feel better and stuff like that. But yeah, we got there eventually. The Golf is working properly. This time, the heat that's coming off, it's beautiful, yeah. So I've brought this little heat gun. You know, this is to test temps and stuff when you got this coronavirus and whatever. So yeah, as you can see, my temp now, you can change it to object temp, yeah. So I'll turn the camera around and you guys can see the heat that's coming out of here. So we're gonna just put that in front of the, so 51 degrees. I don't know what it should be normally, but yeah. So we got 50 degrees coming out of there. It's not full blast, but yeah, we got there eventually. I know it's been a long and tedious video this, but a lot of moaning as well. But yeah, we've got it done, you know. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you need to do this, guys, good luck, because it's hard work, I'm not gonna lie. I hope I never ever have to do this again on any car, you know. Forget doing it on this car, but on any car. But yeah, until next time, guys, have a great weekend. I'll catch you guys again soon with another video. Take it easy. Cheers. Bye.